Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So, I know just as much as anyone else the sting of heartache and heartbreak. A lot of times we cannot understand why something ended or what happened or what's going on or why someone does the things they do. And this can be really hard to mitigate that energy, to understand or even grasp that understanding of why somebody would behave in a certain way or why something had to end when it seemed like it was going really well. So I just want to say that even though you are going through some pain, some heartache, heartbreak, it will get better. And I do believe that the universe moves people out of our way because there is something better, there is something greater for us. And it's all part of this life experience, as sucky as it can be sometimes. Just know that you can rise above this. And whatever has happened, take a look at it and see it from a different perspective if you can. See it through the eyes of love if you can. That something better is definitely going to come along. And can you take from this situation, from this incident, from this relationship? What can you take from it that you can level up from it, that is going to help you on your path? And this isn't about hating anyone or, um, being angry at someone or whatever, just having these hard feelings. This is about you and healing yourself and nourishing yourself. So, whatever somebody has done, there's a quote by Abraham Hicks that says, people will either love you or hate you, and it has nothing to do with you. So it has to do with them and whatever's happening in their life, their own pain, their own suffering. So you take care of you. You take care of what you need and what is going to nurture you and nourish you and heal you and level you up. So take a look at that. Take a look at where you can begin to take that experience and become better, become greater, then become a new version of yourself and level up from that and love on yourself deeply. So if you aren't loving on yourself during this time, or you recognize that maybe you weren't respecting yourself or not loving yourself, whatever it was, begin to implement that and embody that, embrace that into your life so that you are taking care of you, and just love yourself, heal yourself. So I hope this helped you and things will get better. Take care.